Hello everyone, my name is Hipólito Magdiel Venegas Montaño and I will be presenting our study on the optical change in clay under thermal treatments analyzed using UV-Vis spectroscopy. This research was carried out by our team from Universidad Michoacana de San Nicolás de Hidalgo. UV-Vis spectroscopy is a powerful, non-invasive technique used to study the optical properties of materials. In our study, we focus on clays from Tlalpujahua and Capula in Michoacán, Mexico. We aim to understand how thermal treatment affects their optical properties. We prepare green body slabs of clay, each measuring 10 by 10 by 10 millimeters. These samples were thermally treated at temperatures ranging from 500 to 1000 Celsius degrees. We use a deuterium halogen light source and a spectrometer to collect UV-Vis reflectance spectra. The Kubelka-Munk theory was applied to analyze this spectra. The experimental setup involved a PETG structure for 3D printer to hold the samples in consist orientation. The UV-Vis spectroscopy measurements were completed by X-ray diffraction to identify chemical compounds and their concentration, providing a comprehensive analysis of the samples. Our results revealed significant change in the optical properties of the clay with thermal treatment. The treated clays exhibit change in reflectance, indicating alteration in the crystalline structure, and it is mentioned in the X-ray diffraction part, where we can find the principal elements for both of them, as are coal, oxygen, silicon, iron, sodium for Capula sample, and magnesium, oxygen, aluminum, iron, and potassium for Tlalpujahua sample, using a dispersed energy spectroscopy. The principal change obtained by X-ray diffraction were for Tlalpujahua sample that the later changed to spinella between 750 and 100 Celsius degrees, and for Capula that quartz changed to tridymita at 100 Celsius degrees. In conclusion, UV-Vis spectroscopy is an alternative method for analyzing the optical change in clays subject to thermal treatment, and as a principal point, we can say that the principal element present in each kind of clay, as well as the compound and crystallographic change that occurs due to the thermal treatment at different temperatures, have been identified. The variation in the reflectance of the Tlalpujahua and Capula samples indicates a change in mineral composition or variation in the iron mineral. The optical and chemical properties of the clay are influenced by thermal treatment at different temperatures. Thank you for your attention, and I am open to any question you might have.